Hi and welcome. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Laura and I work for the County Library's Holiday Branch. Today I want to share with you a science experiment that I like to call carbon dioxide baggie. The first thing you'll need for this experiment is a sandwich baggie. If it has one of these Ziplocs on the top, you'll want to remove it so that it looks like this. You'll also need a plastic bottle, some baking soda, some vinegar, and a rubber band. You'll pour a little bit of baking soda into your baggie, about a teaspoon. You don't need a whole lot. You'll carefully pour some vinegar into your bottle till it's probably about this high. You don't need a whole lot of that either. And then you will carefully rubber band your baggie onto the top of your bottle so that it looks kind of like this. This part is the trickiest part, getting your baggie on the bottle. So if you need some help, definitely ask for it. You might also want a bowl just to make sure you don't make a mess of vinegar all over, because sometimes you get more of a reaction than you're expecting. So what you're going to do is you're going to gently put your baking soda into your bottle of vinegar. And then, as you can see, your baggie blows up. And sometimes it makes more of a reaction than you're expecting. So that's why you need a bowl. So I'm not a chemist, but the basic thing that's happening here is the baking soda, which is a base, is reacting with the vinegar, which is an acid. And when they make that reaction, it creates carbon dioxide, which is like the bubbles in your soda. And that is what makes your baggie fill up with carbon dioxide. And that's the end. Thanks for tuning in again. My name is Laura. I work for the County Library's Holiday Branch, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.